gotta tell you, this microphone makes me very nervous. You know, it actually reminds me of a girl I dated in high school. I didn't date anybody in high school, truth be known. You know, I once had an opportunity to be a circumciser aide, a mohel aide. And I said, if there's a career with this, how do you get ahead in this business? He says, well, you cut a little low, you get ahead. Oh, crap. What am I going to do when I'm sitting at the table on CBS this morning and Gail, I hope she's wearing that yellow dress, she looks great in yellow, asks me, what's the deal with this book? Well, it's called My Shorts. And it's actually called My Shorts, Brief Scenes from My Life. And, you know, what's it about? It's really, you know, I guess it's about growing up, first of all, in a very wonderful, beautiful, loving, and incredibly dysfunctional family. Think the Seinfelds and Costanzas getting together for a Passover dinner. And it really... It talks with a middle child trying to, actually the bottom line is dealing with trying to be accepted, to be valued, to not feel as though I am just a clown and have real feelings. And so it tells these stories, which when you read them, you won't believe it. You'll think I made them up, but they're all true. I do have visual proof in the photographs that I keep in the book. So it's all about this. It's these brief scenes, and all of this while I'm dealing with overactive sweat glands and an addiction to Cheetos. And right before my mom died, and I was telling her about this book that I was writing, and she's a major character in it. Think George Costanza's mom. I said to her, I'm going to publish it. She says, Brian, I have a fantastic idea. I said, what's that? She says, why don't you just charge $1? I said, $1? What am I going to do charging $1? She says, it's a great idea. And then in your advertising, you can say, what the f***, it's just $1.